day.
Good day.
I'm Daisy.
I'm Gilmore. We will have our third video presentation. We will demonstrate to you on how to construct different kinds of polyhedrons like
Hexahedron.
and dodecahedron. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Roll VTR.
Roll. Before anything else, we will have a short background about what is polyhedron. So, polyhedron is a geometric solid whose boundary consists of plane polygons.
Yes, and according to theorem 1, there are exactly 5 regular polyhedrons, namely
Tetrahedron,
hexahedron,
octahedron,
dodecahedron,
and icosahedron.
yes, that's right. A hexahedron is any polyhedron with 6 square faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It contains of 8 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A cube is an example of a hexahedron. Right now, I will present to you how to make a hexahedron. Here are the materials you needed to make a hexahedron. Prepare a chipboard, but it is better if you will use indigenous materials like your calendar. It is better. But for now, I choose to make a hexahedron by using a chipboard. Prepare a pencil, your eraser. Much better if you have the scissors, but be careful when you are using the scissors. It is better when you call your brothers or sisters to help you in cutting the hexahedron, in making the ruler to measure the size, right? The size, the stick glue, and the glue gun. But if you don't have money to buy a glue gun, you can also use the match. Then lastly, you will use a colored paper to cover your hexahedron. But if you don't have any money, so it is okay. It is optional. Right now, I will present to you how to make a hexahedron. First, you will use a ruler to measure your hexahedron, the pencil, and the eraser. First, you will measure the inches by 4. So, here's the 4. We will start, see this one. We'll line that one up to this point. We will put X here. Another 4 here. X here. Here. Now we have our first square. Second. The next step, we will make sure that all the sides of this hexahedron are equal. So let's start measuring all over again. Correct? Check. Here. Check. Oh, it's correct. Here. Also here. 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 Right. Making sure that all the measures of a hexahedron is equal, because if not, it will make our hexahedron not precise and not accurate. So it is very important to take time to really measure if the sides are equal. Before cutting, make sure that you have allowance so we can connect all the sides of it, like this one. I have already made one. Also here. Another one is here. So that we can connect all these sides. Here. 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 Lastly, here. In making the allowances of this figure, you can, any measure will do, even 1 inch. What time is it? It's cutting time. Make sure you have guidance to help you in cutting this one, because you know it is very hard for you to cut without the guidance of your parents, especially the scissors is sharp. So right now, we will cut. We'll cut this portion to make our cutting easier. Ta-da! In cutting, you need an assistant, so it will be easy for you to cut. Thank you, partner. Cut this extra portion. Cut this one. Here. We're almost done. After making the net of our hexahedron, we will now score all the lines that can be found in this T. So, Hold the ruler over the scored lines. Here's the scored lines. And gently lift and corner this. Allows a nice crisp bend in the paper. You can see that one. Yeah, there is it. Another one here. All the lines that can be found in this T. So after the long folding, we will now bend the top in the middle and apply a small bit of super glue at the top. So here. After the long folding, we will now bend the top in the middle and apply a small bit of super glue to the top. So we will first start here at the top, just a bit. Okay. We will now connect this. Okay, that's right. Wait a few seconds. Be careful because it is hot. Another one is here. On the other side. Okay. We already have one. Next. Here. Wow. Next. Here. That's it. You're almost done. So we'll put here. After the long process, we already now have our new model of our hexahedron.
Dodecahedron. Dodecahedron is any regular polyhedron with 12 pentagonal faces here. Pentagon faces. There are 12 pentagonal faces, 20 vertices, and 30 edges. So this is an example of a regular dodecahedron. Here are the materials used in constructing this dodecahedron. So here, we'll be using this chipboard, but if you don't have any chipboard, you can use any magazines or calendars. It is better. And pencil, ruler in measuring the size so that the edges and the vertices will be exact. Eraser, of course. Scissor. Oops, wait. In using the scissor, kindly ask assistance from your parents, if not to your older brother or sister. Glue stick and glue gun to connect all these sizes so that this polyhedron will be formed. That's all. This time, I'll be showing to you on how to construct this regular dodecahedron. And now, I'm going to demonstrate to you on how to construct this kind of dodecahedron. So the first thing we need to do is to gather all the materials needed. So I have here a piece of chipboard here, but you can also use magazines or calendars. Glue gun with, of course, stick glue, ruler, pencil, pair of scissors, compass, eraser, and protractor. So first, I have here a small piece of chipboard. First thing we need to do is we will draw a pentagon. So by using this, we will have a 2.5 size of pentagon. So for us to have equal measure of pentagon, we will use compass. So we will have 70 here and other here. So we will just, using the ruler, we'll just connect, and the other here. This one and here. Okay. So here, we already have the pentagon. The next thing is we will cut this. Oops! Reminders, when using scissors, please ask some guidance or assistance from your parents, brothers, or sisters. So I will cut this. So here it is, the pentagon. So using this pentagon, we will construct a net of this so that we can have this dodecahedron. So I have here this one. We'll chase it since all parts of the dodecahedron are pentagonal faces. Here. See? And another here. And last one here. So as you can see, the net of the dodecahedron is like a flower. So there is. So after this, the cutting time. But before we will cut this net, we will have, or we will put allowances. So here, so that it is easy for us to connect the sides. This one and this also here. One here and this one here and another one here. Oh, it's cutting time. So, reminders, before you cut this pattern, make sure to be guided by your parents or not to your older sister or brother. Here. Should have allowance so that it is easy for us to cut and join the sides of this dodecahedron. So the next thing we will do after this is like flower. We'll score these allowances and the sides. So let's start here at the center. That one.
By the use of ruler.
Yes, by the use of the ruler. So here so just prepare your scissor in case. Because some of the allowances are... So we already done folding all the allowances here at each side. So the last step is to connect all the sides. So we will hit the glue gun here. Let's start here. Oh, wait, because the glue... Can you please? Be careful when using the glue gun because it's hot. And the last part, so we're almost on the finish line. So this part here. I know you have big smiles already on your faces because it's already the last part. So please be careful. Be careful, really, really careful. So this is it, I guess. So here it is already done.
Wow!
Our dodecahedron.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for participating, cooperating, and
Spending
your time with us by doing that hexahedron and dodecahedron. So we really hope that you already know how to construct hexahedron and dodecahedron. So guys, we will miss you so much.
This is our last time to have
our video presentation. So I hope
and
we hope that you that you learn something from both of us.
Yes, we learned something.
Yes, learn something. So
Bye.
bye guys. God bless.
Haggard face.
Haggard. Bye bye.